sinking like stones, all that we fought for. Homes, places we've known, all unknown.
We just arrived in our new apartment and look who's there. Finally we have the air condition. Oh. Now after 2 nights in this hot apartment we decided to change it. We were going to the reception because it was impossible to sleep there. And the best thing, beside that there's air condition and it's a bit bigger, is this beautiful view here. Look at our terrace. Very nice. And now we will go to the beach. That's my umbrella. Maybe I bought the too cheap one. Look at Yannick's. Okay, thank you. So I got myself a new umbrella.
Fleur happening. Soon to that, but they have a hole go.
I have a beautiful new umbrella, the biggest one here.
Ooh, Fleur. Ooh.
No, it's too hot. But look, maybe my friend needs an umbrella too. Here it is, my new umbrella. Very nice. The old one that I used one time at the beach. And I paid 11 euros for that, and for this one 15. Let's see how long this will last. Florian just got wet. Look, here, all the water was coming up here. And his umbrella is almost falling away, flying away. I don't think that he is liking this beach. Florian, his umbrella was hitting all the people behind us. It was flying backwards and then it was hitting all the people. Everyone is looking at us because we have huge problems with fixing our umbrellas. We are the big tourists here, and all the people are looking at us. Umbrellas are flying into other people, mine got damaged, but look, this quality. And Florian now gets from another man such a tool for fixing it. Also, Yannick is flied away into the people. Yeah, look, he also needs one. They all need one. Hey, look at that. Mine is the only one that is good. It's fascinating, this word. So here we are at the beach of La Cinta. That's near to the village of San Teodoro, and it's really huge. It's a very large beach. You can see it. It's starting over there and it's going all the way until somewhere over there. And as you can see, it's so crowded today. It's even Sunday, then it's a very popular beach, as we could notice from the people. That was the advantage yesterday, when we have been to a bit more secret beach, it was much more calmly. But if you want to have a fully crowded beach. There are also, for example, a lot of young people. It's having big waves here. You have a lot of bars, little snack bars here. Then this is the place for you. There are also coming a lot of promoters that are giving you these flyers for parties that are taking place tonight, free shots, such vouchers for having free shots, and we got also a lot of them, so we will see tonight how much we use, especially because tonight our friend Andre is arriving. We will pick him up at the airport in Olbia later, and of course we have to celebrate his arrival. This nice terrace or rooftop we have here is a perfect spot for flying with the drone. Yo, yo, yo! Wir haben gar nicht gewusst, ob du überhaupt ankommst. Schön, dass du da bist.
Das ist nicht sicher.
Eben!
Wieder knapp.
Bist du wieder effizient gewesen?
Also, wir gehen direkt Ausgang. Ja, oh.
Du bist ja sicher fit nach 4 Tagen, oder?
Nein, ich sag dir, ich bin zerstört.
Hey! We were walking through the entire shopping center and couldn't find our restaurant, the steakhouse. And the best thing is we entered here by car. And now we were walking through the entire shopping center, couldn't find it. Then they told us it's outside.
Like Lucky Luke.
Lucky Luke. We got this nice table here. I feel like in the Wild West. So we are working on our diet here. We have to get some healthy food. I think some barbecue ribs, chicken wings, chicken nuggets. They are all concentrated. That's the food they like. Unbelievably good chicken wings and chicken nuggets. So perfect. They are so delicious, aren't they?
Yes, very delicious.
So the diet is going on. Look at this paradise. Salute!
Hashtag Nightlife.
Hashtag Nightlife mit dem Nisu.
Pick me up from the airport.
Well,
Hashtag Party Hard.
welcome Nisu.
Hashtag Bettenhausen.
We just took a drink all together here in San Teodoro. It's a very nice place for nightlife we discovered. Here is even a night market. That was also yesterday on Saturday. And there are a lot of discos. There are a lot of bars that have very long opening hours. So in this region, that's definitely the nightlife hotspot.